Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your pronouns on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update that makes it easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn. Yes, it might sound a bit unexpected, but the process to update your pronouns now starts here. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon on the left side menu. This icon represents your settings, so click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Edit Profile option. This is where you can make changes to your personal information, including your pronouns. Now, it's time to update your pronouns. Click on the Pronouns section and select the ones that best represent you. If you don't see your preferred pronouns, there might be an option to add custom ones depending on the latest update. Make sure your choice reflects how you want to be identified on Pinterest. After selecting your pronouns, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm your update. This will ensure that your new pronouns are displayed on your Pinterest profile as intended. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest pronouns on your PC with the new update. This small but important step helps you express your identity clearly and makes your profile more personal and inclusive. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials for social media updates and tips. See you next time.